Creating sound bubbles is a technique rooted in mindfulness, helping find peace in a bustling environment. Here's a concise guide. Select a sound anchor. Choose a specific, calming sound in your environment, rustling leaves, distant traffic, or your breath. Focused listening. Fully engage with the chosen sound, appreciating its nuances and variations to detach from surrounding chaos. Mindful observation. Observe the source of the sound, deepening mindfulness by connecting visually with the environment. Use headphones. Enhance isolation by using headphones or earplugs to minimize external distractions. Breathing exercises. Sync your breath with the chosen sound, incorporating mindful breathing to complement the auditory focus. Grounding techniques. Use grounding methods like feeling your feet on the ground or touching a nearby surface to refocus if overwhelmed. Acceptance and non-judgment. Accept all sounds without judgment, fostering peace within your chosen sound bubble. Regular practice. Integrate this technique into your routine for increased effectiveness, cultivating moments of calm amid daily chaos. Creating sound bubbles isn't about eliminating noise, but shifting focus to a chosen sound, creating a pathway to inner tranquility amidst external hustle.